Welcome to Advanced Machine Tools, manufacturer and exporter of Capstan Lathe machines. The company was established in 1994 at Ludhiana. Well-equipped infrastructure and good financial position make us different from others. Stringent quality checks, market-leading prices, and multiple payment options make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide assortment of speed reduction gearboxes, turret lathe, and head machines. Our Chuck Capstan lathes, lathe, and shaping machines are best in the industry amongst others. We offer forging hammers, redial drill, and shearing machines that are superior in performance. Capstan lathe machines for CP fittings and milling machines offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Our Capstan lathe machines for bathroom and sanitary fittings are available at affordable prices. We also provide Capstan lathes for gas cutters that are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. To get more details, please visit our website www.automachinery.com.